alternative, ¿ok? Vamos a hacer un círculo a la alternativa correcta. Bien. There's, okay, sentences here. Hay oraciones acá donde estamos usando, we are using the linking words, las palabras que son conectoras. Bien, ¿recuerdan que eran 4? Remember?
No,
there were 4. We had the linking words, las palabras conectoras que vimos there were 4. No preposiciones, no prepositions. Remember? Because, so, but, and although. Okay, they are 4 linking words. Here we have the 4 linking words. Tenemos las 4 acá, palabras conectoras, pero debemos hacer un círculo en la expresión correcta, the right expression. Number 1, it says, for example, you tell me, you tell me, although Jim has a lot of money, he's really stingy, very generous. Number 1, although Jim has a lot of money, you understand? A pesar de o aunque él tiene mucho dinero, él es sigue. No, egoísta. Exacto. Tacaño. Recuerden que tanto although como la palabra but, okay, son para hacer contraste. Aquí el contraste es, aunque tiene mucho dinero, es tacaño. You know? El but también es para hacer contraste. ¿Recuerdan lo que era el because? Para dar ¿qué cosa? Argumentar, dar una razón. Y el so, que significa por lo tanto. Para señalar un resultado, a result. Okay? Look, they wanted to play soccer, but it was sunny, or it was snowing. But, number 2, there you go. They wanted to play soccer, but it was snowing. Nuevamente tenemos un contraste, ¿verdad? Ellos querían jugar a la pelota, pero estaba nevando. Unfortunately. Number 3, I had a vacation in Egypt, although I can or I can't speak Arabic.
I can't.
2. 1 or 2? 2.
No.
2.
I can't speak Arabic.
Yeah, I had a vacation in Egypt. Egypt, it's an Arabic country, although I can't speak Arabic. Very good. Number 4. The hotel was fabulous, okay, amazing, outstanding, beautiful, but it was a little expensive, but it was very nice. Number 1, it was a little expensive. The hotel was fabulous, but it was expensive. Alright. And number 5. I went on a date with John, although I don't really like him or I like him a lot. The first or the second? The first one? I mean, I went on a date, tuve una cita con John, dice una niña simplemente, aunque, although I don't really like him. Y eso es triste. I don't really like him. Okay? So here we have the linking words. No apareció lamentablemente el because, no sabemos qué significa el por qué. Es una razón. Pero tenemos que ver si se contrastan las oraciones, si es un resultado o si se está dando una razón. Yep. Ready with this? ¿Listo con eso? Yeah, great. Number 2. Here we have sentences or phrases from the listening. Tenemos oraciones del audio que escuchamos el otro día. And what do we have to do? We are going to match. Vamos a unir. Diga. Vamos a unir estos verbos con estas frases y vamos a crear nuevas oraciones o nuevas frases. ¿Ya? For example, on the audio we listen this phrase. We listen. Invite somebody to dinner. We listen that. Yeah? Invite somebody to listen. And that's perfect. Now I want you to help me with this. We have the verb meet. What's that? Okay, conocer o encontrarse. The verb take. Tomar o llevar a alguien. We have knock. Exactly. It's knock. Play. What? Jugar o tocar or. Yes. O reproducir. Run. Correr. Be. Ser estar. Wait. Esperar and try. Intentar. Camille. You said one. Could you come here? I want you to match. Quiero que lo pongan. No. Really beautiful. Okay, knock on the door. Great, perfect. You can say knock on the door or knock at the door. Y en la historia, ¿quién golpeó la puerta 2 horas después?
La policía.
Yeah, the police knocked on the door or knocked at the door. Very good. Any other volunteer to come here to match the verb and phrase? And you? You don't know? You don't know? Oh, that's okay. Okay, play what?
Waiting up.
There you go. Thank you. We say play a song or play a CD. En este caso, reproducir aquello. Yeah? Very good. Anybody? Any volunteer to come? ¿Alguno volunteer? No. Wait. Wait for someone? No. Up. Meet somebody to a restaurant. Encontrarse con alguien a un restaurante.
Or meet in a coffee shop.
Meet in a coffee shop. Come. Go. Lo puedo hacer, pero quiero que salga de su zona de confort. Alright. Nice. Okay, anybody else? Up. El Seba quiere. ¿Y el Lucho? ¿También quiere? Which one? Wait. Esperar atravesar la calle. Listen. Try to stop. Yeah, Hannah, when she was driving, she tried to stop, but she couldn't. Pero ella no pudo. Remember?
Take somebody to a restaurant.
Take somebody to a restaurant. Very good. So we say, take somebody to a restaurant. Es llevar a quién? A alguien a un referente. Somebody or someone significa alguien. Cuando un pronombre no es determinado, no sabemos si es él o ella. Yep. Run across the street. ¿Qué lo dijo? Very good. Run. This one. Across the street.
¿Qué significa en hurry?
En apuro. Wait for somebody. There you go. Y
Be in a hurry, ¿o no?
and be in a hurry. Y estar apurado, apresurado. De hecho, Hannah dice que Hannah was in a hurry. Por eso es que ella conducía rápido. Y she was in a hurry. Estaba. ¿Ya? Ahí el verbo to be está conjugado en pasado. Hannah was. Okay? You finished? Okay, very good.